Hi, today I'm going to show you how to connect hosting a domain to Base44. First, log into Base44 and open your project dashboard. Navigate to apps, choose the app that you would have created and you'll be taken to your project dashboard. Here, you're going to click on the dashboard icon at the top left and here choose domains. Now, click on the add domain option that will be available just right here. As you can see, if you want to add or want to use your own domain, you'll have to simply upgrade to a pro plan, that is on builder plan and above. So click on view plans, buy a plan and you will see the domain adding button just right here. After you get that field, enter your Hostinger domain like yourcustomsite.com and follow the prompts. Then log into Hostinger and go to the domain section, find your domain and open the DNS zone editor and add or update the following records like a record, CNAME record. Then click the save or update in Hostinger's DNS dashboard and wait for the DNS propagation to be finished. Then return to Base44 and verify the domain connection. Once verified, your Base44 app will appear at your Hostinger domain. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.